What's my favorite tool in the shop? The Grizzly G1023RLW. It's 3 horsepower with a riving knife. It's got an easily adjustable shop fox fence faced with HDPE and a built-in router table. I customized mine with 7-foot rails, shop-made walnut zero clearance inserts, and outfitted the router table with a 2.25 horsepower router. I rip 2-inch hardwoods like walnut, cherry, and maple almost every single day, and this saw never breaks a sweat. I've made a custom crosscut sled, spline jig, tenon jig, and sliding dovetail jigs that ride in the tracks of the table or straddle the fence. That makes this one of the most versatile tools in my shop. I can make cabinet door parts, edge profiling, or make dados at the router table, or throw a dado stack on the arbor of the saw. If you're wondering about the power requirements, the 1023RL series with a 3 horsepower motor is single phase 240 volt and draws about 14 amps on startup. This truly is the heart of my shop and where I spend most of my time. If you are thinking of getting this saw, do not hesitate. This is a monster of a machine. And you can get 10% off using the code in the description at grizzly.com. Before I joined the Grizzly team, I bought this saw with my own money to start the William Walker Company. The outfeed table I built around the saw was my very first video and what sparked the William Walker Company channel. And I've made all the furniture for my business in the past 5 years on this saw. So believe me when I say, I love this saw.